what do we mean by vision? What is true vision? We are all born with a dream, a passion, and a unique vision within us. This can be the vision of a business, of a simple creation, of a painter, or of a scientific breakthrough. This vision can take different forms and external shapes, but be sure it arises from the same infinite source of energy, the energy of life and of all existence. In a way, existence or eternal life energy, or some might call it God energy, is trying to manifest itself and its creation through us. Our dreams, our visions, our existence's way of allowing creation to happen in this universe. The same creative energy and vision flows through the fish that swim in the water, through the trees that reach out of the ground, one cell, one leaf, one branch at a time, and reach out to the eternal blue sky above. Through the birds that sing in the skies, through the mountain peaks, rivers, animals, birds, it is the same energy. All live and non-alive forms, and the same creative energy and vision flows through all of us human beings, which we can call our vision, our dream. In the business and management terminology, this vision at its source is the same creative energy of existence, which initiates from one heart, one person, and eventually grows in a collective form around a group of like-minded people. We often see in business and in life that once the business or individual entity deviates for whatever reason or circumstance from its original true vision, it is a matter of time before the business or individual entity loses its path and gradually dissolves. Either the vision has fulfilled its true purpose and needs to dissolve, or the people through whom the vision is flowing lose their path. They get corrupted by success, power, wealth, etc., which are the external manifestations of this vision, and start following these external manifestations instead of staying true to the original core vision. We see this very eloquently in the example of Steve Jobs and of Apple computers, where at a point when Steve Jobs lost touch with his vision, he had to be removed from his post. And since he was the sole originator of the vision behind Apple, the business after his exit also started slowly degrading, till a point where they had to call Steve Jobs back, and then Apple resurfaced and progressed aligned with its original true core vision through the heart and soul of Steve Jobs. Though a spark of vision of the creativity of existence is present within each one of us. Few of us manage to get and stay in touch with this vision. It is by getting in touch with your vision and true self and creativity that you become the source of something great beyond human imagination to be born through you. It is vital that once you are in touch with your true vision, that you trust it, nurture it, and allow it space and time to grow and manifest itself through you. Also, as the manifestations start happening, it is important that you do not interfere with it, with your ego and personal achievements and ambitions. Allow yourself to be a channel for existence, to manifest itself, the vision that it sees through you, and you will become a channel for the happening of something great, beautiful and wealthy in and around you. The simple truth and beauty inherent in this process of being true to yourself and to your vision ensures that your work, whatever you do, whatever manifests through you, is in alignment with the larger flow of existence, and also becomes a medium for allowing more peace, love and beauty to grow for all of humanity and for all of this world around us.